Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Windows Store cache may be damaged. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type WS Reset, click OK. Second method is users in Windows search bar. Click Users. Type Windows Store. Open Microsoft Windows Store. Open Local State. Create new folder named as Cache. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type Store in Windows search bar. Click Advanced Options. Click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.